North Texans are talking about today's Supreme Court ruling that found Colorado violated the constitutional rights of a baker who refused to make a cake for a same-sex wedding. Political reporter Jack Fink live in Dallas. And Jack, what are both sides saying about long-term implications for Texas?
Well, Gilmo, religious rights groups say today's ruling shows governments they can't discriminate against someone's religious beliefs when deciding these kinds of cases. And LGBTQ rights advocates say they are hoping that this case will eventually lead to stronger protections for their community.
I think that this is a resounding victory.
Not happy about the decision.
Steve Atkinson, a board member with the group Equality Texas, and Chelsea Yeoman, counsel and chief of staff for the First Liberty Institute, disagree on the outcome of today's Supreme Court ruling. But both say there are reasons to like the 7-2 decision. While the highest court found in favor of baker Jack Phillips, who refused to make a cake for Charlie Craig and Dave Mullen's wedding based on his religious beliefs, the justices said other similar cases must await further elaboration in the courts.
I would say that this is the most pro-speech court we've ever had in our country's history, and that they continue to adhere to the Constitution and the strong protections that are there and say that it is illegal discrimination for the government to disparage someone because of their religious views.
It is really important to us and important to point out that the ruling is not by any means a far-sweeping new ruling that gives a license of any kind to discriminate.
Yeoman says cities and states must remain neutral when making decisions in these kinds of cases.
There's room for everyone in our country. A diverse set of interests and belief systems can coexist, and they can do so peacefully.
Atkinson says this case reinforces the need for broader laws protecting the LGBTQ community.
Texas, like many states, does not have such a law, and of course there's not a federal law that extends those kinds of non-discrimination protections. So we're already fighting that battle.
And last year there were a number of religious freedom bills proposed in the Texas House, but none of them passed. So now many people on both sides of this debate expect many more bills to be filed in January, when there will be a new Speaker of the Texas House. Live in Dallas, Jack Fink, CBS 11 News.